India aspires to be a knowledge-driven society in the 21st century. The National Education Policy 2020 identifies innovative academic research as an integral part of the education system. Yet, Indian school and college students often lack hands-on exposure to advanced research techniques.
I'm in my second year, so I get very less chance to do anything in the practical classes because there are 24 people and we don't get a chance. Even if pipetting is very difficult to do. The understanding was also a bit not clear when I studied it and writing exams at that time.
Researchers and teachers of our country are actually very well aware of these issues. But the problem is that training the students in these advanced research techniques is both time consuming and very expensive. So, where does one get the money and the facilities for imparting such training?
In 2019, Indian Institute of Science Education and Research, IISER Pune, supported by various corporate donors, started conducting molecular biology workshops for school, college, and master's students. These workshops provide high-quality, intensive training in topics like cloning, gene expression, enzyme kinetics, protein biochemistry, and basic bioinformatics. During 2022-23 alone, IISER Pune conducted 48 such workshops and trained 551 students from all over India.
For a subject like molecular biology, what you read in a textbook is very different from what you do in a research lab. In our workshops, the students not only perform these experiments themselves, but they also learn about troubleshooting and about other alternate outcomes.
As part of this program each year, we also conduct free workshops for selected students from municipality schools.
त्या दिवशी ना ते वेगवेगळे पौर्णिमाताईंनी आणि स्नेहाताईंनी वेगवेगळ्या म्हणजे पेपरमध्ये त्या बॅक्टेरियाचं नाव दिलं होतं आणि ते कॉम्प्युटरमध्ये आपल्याला शोधायचं होतं. त्या बॅक्टेरियाचं नाव आठवतंय का? ती बॅक्टेरिया शोधली होती आपण ते कॉम्प्युटरमधनं त्या स्नेहाने ब्लास्ट हो आपल्या बॅक्टेरियाचं नाव नाही मिळालं मग आपण सध्याच नाव टाकत बसलेलो. खूप छान नाव होतं. आयसरमध्ये ना ते आम्ही तिकडे काढताना ना खूप अशी माहिती पण घेतली आणि त्याच्यामुळे आम्हाला सायन्सची मध्ये उत्सुकता वाढली आणि 10वीनंतर मी सायन्समध्येच बायोलॉजी हा विषय घेणार आहे. मला बायोलॉजी हा विषय घ्यायला आवडेल.
School students are often confused about which subjects to choose. After attending our workshop, many students have taken up science for their higher education.
In 2023, we conducted an all-expenses paid 7-day-long workshop for 25 students. These students were from underrepresented groups in academia and were selected from all over the country. This workshop was funded by the Science and Engineering Research Board, Government of India, along with various corporate houses of the country. Over 7 days, the students not only conducted hands-on molecular biology experiments, but were also exposed to advanced techniques in genomics, metabolomics, and microscopy.
ऑनेस्टली मुझे नहीं लगा था कि ये वर्कशॉप इतना इंटेंस होगा और इतना नॉलेज, इतना प्रैक्टिकल अप्रोच हमें मिलेगा. बेसिकली सबको अपना अपना हैंड्स ऑन करने को मिला, सब ने टेक्निक्स जानी और जो लास्ट में हमने किया दैट ट्रबल शूटिंग आफ्टर एवरीथिंग, दैट वाज फैंटास्टिक.
मेरे जितने भी लैबमेट्स हैं वो लोग मुझे आज मैसेज करके बोल रहे तुम जल्दी आओ और मुझे सिखाओ, उन लोग को सिखाओ कि मतलब वो लोग भी सीखना चाहते हैं मैं जो यहाँ सीखी.
सो बेसिकली इससे मेरे लाइफ में क्या इम्पैक्ट पड़ा, एक साइंस स्टूडेंट की हैसियत से मेरे अंदर एक साइंटिफिक टेम्पर डेवलप हुआ.
आई थिंक मुझे एक रिक्वेस्ट भी है कि लाइक ऐसे वर्कशॉप्स की कंटिन्यूएशन जिसमें हम रिपीट कर सकें अपने सारे एक्सपेरिमेंट्स और हमारा हैंड्स ऑन एक्सपीरियंस वैसे ही मतलब हमें प्रॉपरली याद रहे.
To understand the industrial applications of the techniques learned, the students also visited the R&D Center for well-known biotechnology industry and interacted with their scientists.
Praj Industries takes immense pride in contributing towards training the future scientists of India. It was a pleasure and a privilege to welcome these budding researchers to our R&D facilities. As a Prajite, I feel proud to be associated with the program.
These workshops have been instrumental in bringing high-quality training in molecular biology to the students. In the coming years, IISER Pune plans to expand the program and bring these workshops to a wider cross-section of students from all over India.